Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D Show. Ladies and gentlemen, we get some matter when we go discuss today. Sure you understand? This matter concern the IPOB leader when they call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the OPC members in Lagos. Sure you get? Una know say this past election when they do, when we say people come they attack the Igbo people when they Lagos, when they don't want hear word, the Igbos them, when they don't want hear word. It can't be like say Nnamdi Kanu can't talk something, can't say something about the killings then when they kill Igbo people in Lagos. You know say the Yoruba people, that is the OPC people, that is same like the Oduduwa them. Neither they call them in general the Oduduwa people. They not allow the Igbo people to cast their votes. Sure you get? It be like say then kill some of the Igbo people. It be like say then carry cutlass, carry stick, come they tell them say they no go ever vote because they know say those Igbo people then they support Atiku, Abubakar and Peter Obi. And I know say the OPC people, that is Oduduwa people with Bola Tinubu, all of them are the same thing. Then they support Jubri Buhari. So based on say the OPC, they know say Igbo people will vote for Atiku Obi. So they can't talk say they no go ever allowed Igbo people to cast their vote, which is very, very bad. So you understand? I know they support Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar because I don't tell them I say anything concerning APC and PDP count Funky D out. Anything concerning politics in that country count Funky D out. But we go they follow them up because any good thing when they do we go talk them. Any bad thing when they do we go talk them. Although we know say these people they never do any good thing. They never bring any good thing to that country. You understand? I mean the APC and PDP people. Alright? So, the thing when they be say the OPC people, they can't talk say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They can't talk say na loquacious coward. Sure you understand? They can't call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a loquacious coward because then say Nnamdi Kanu threatened them. Say he go deal with them if any Igbo man maybe die or if they do any bad thing to any Igbo man. Then this OPC people talk say Nnamdi Kanu na coward. Say Nnamdi Kanu run leave the IPOB people when we say na him form the IPOB people. Now him according to them they say Nnamdi Kanu deceive the young Igbo people to join IPOB. Okay, after deceiving them, Nnamdi Kanu come run go London overnight, according to the OPC people. Say they not get Nnamdi Kanu time. In fact, say they bring themselves so low to the talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Because Nnamdi Kanu not get, because Nnamdi Kanu they work for his interest. That is what this OPC people they talk, not be Funky D talking. See you understand? Because the one when they talk, me I go talk and the one when Nnamdi Kanu talk, I go talk and now so he just be here. You understand? So they come they talk say Nnamdi Kanu and loquacious coward. See after deceiving the IPOB people, he come run go London like a thief overnight. You understand? Say Nnamdi Kanu that thing when he talk say he go do, make him come do and make them the see him. Say Nnamdi Kanu na nobody. I can say sure, now be say this matter don't go far. So, to the Oduduwa people, that is the OPC people, when we say Funky D not know where those people come from or waiting that they call themselves. Funky D say OPC and the Arewa people, including Bola Tinubu them, no OPC people, with the Oduduwa people, una go join the Arewa people. Make una leave Igbo people alone. OPC na organization when be say then they kill people, then they do that jungle justice in that country or in that state called Lagos. OPC people, there is no time when we say OPC people they do better than that. The only thing what they do, them be killers, them be robbers, them be serious armed robbers, serious bandits, them be in Lagos. So if OPC they represent you or they represent Oduduwa, then which means they don't know what then they do. Because OPC is not a good organization. OPC is a criminal entity, criminal organization. So they are like opposite to the IPOP people. IPOP people na peace. People when they maintain peace, na in them be. Even if say then they fight for Biafra to come, they know they carry stick, they know they carry gun, they know they carry anything. They know they kill nobody. So, but all these OPC sick people, I say, Una with the Alamajiri Fulani people go one side. Una must to leave Igbo people alone. Una they work with the Bola Tinubu them. Osibanjo them. All these bad politicians when they Nigeria there, when we see them come from Lagos. Or Lagos State, na him una they work for, and na them, na like somebody like Bola Tinubu, na him form OPC people, na him bring them come out. All of una na criminal entities. All of una they commit evil against Nigerian people. So OPC is not a recognized organization. So make una carry una own go one side. Because IPOP people, then they do their own jete by jete. You understand? If you they call Nnamdi Kanu a loquacious coward, waiting you go call Bola Tinubu when we say Bola Tinubu na the highest corrupt man in that Nigeria. Bola Tinubu na thief. Bola Tinubu na armed robber. Bola Tinubu don't rob our rob the Oduduwa people hands down. Waiting you go call Bola Tinubu. You know they feed the address Bola Tinubu when don't take the whole Lagos state. Nnamdi Kanu will not do you anything. Now you talk say Nnamdi Kanu do this, Nnamdi Kanu do that. Nnamdi Kanu is trying to defend his people. The only thing the people when they blame are the Igbo people when they that Lagos. When not know they are left from their right. When never still learn lesson. The Igbo people, when we say they're not, some of them, majority of them, they're not there with IPOP, they're not support IPOP people. It's just that Nnamdi Kanu is trying to protect his people. You understand? Now those Igbo people, now them, Funky D, they blame. So, Oduduwa people, make una go join Hausa people, Alamajiri people. Because una they support evil when they that country. All of una support Jubri from Sudan. So all of una support person when they kill Nigerian people. All of una support Boko Haram. All of una when be Oduduwa people and the OPC people support Hesmin. Make una leave Igbo people alone. You understand? Because all this una problem when una get when we say Yoruba people, not all Yoruba people, ladies and gentlemen, like all these Oduduwa people, they politicians, then when we say now then they finish the country. Una no they trust una self. Now the problem when una get una when be Yoruba people. Una they see Hausa people, they deal with the whole Nigerian people. Una see they play along with them to they rob Nigerians blindly. So the man when we say now they lead Oduduwa or now they lead the OPC people, your claim is baseless. The thing when you they talk about, when they tell people about Nnamdi Kanu is meaningless. You don't make any sense. Because Uno they talk say with una Bola Tinubu when we say he rob Nigeria hands down. Una they claim say una get moment crowd. Now when that election stand, that day when they do the election, una not get that moment crowd again. Now una begin tell people say na only Jubri then go vote. Say if they not vote Jubri and APC, which means they no go cast their votes, and una begin chase them away. And una say una get moment crowd. So both Oduduwa people, both Jubri Buhari, both Bola Tinubu, both this man, what they call the vice president, Yemi Osubanjo, when they call himself pastor, I don't know where that man the pastor. I don't know the kind of church when they man, I don't know. Now this one me they call criminal pastors, fake pastors. All of una combined together with Jubri, now una they scatter that country. Because even that day when they do that election, now OPC man, when we say now they say now they lead them to they go rob, to they go kill people. Now lead those talk come disrupt the election that day. And forget what they call that useless man name. That man, you see what the way when they disgrace him. Now the way when Funky Ding want me then disgrace the whole OPC people, including Bola Tinubu. You did hear the rough your mouth. They cussing and they can when not do you anything. People when they do you something, you know if you attack them. You they attack somebody when we say in day on their own. You they attack people when we say they not do you anything. The Buhari when they make you not to the seafood, when make you become Agberu when you become. Why you not go attack Buhari? Why you not go attack Buhari Jubri? Somebody when just day on his own, now him, you, they come attack. And they talk to you, the OPC chairman, or whatever you call yourself. We know say all of them they work with Tinubu, and they expect 2023. All of them don't fail because Nigerian youth, Nigerian people will never vote your people again. Tinubu, they wasting time. Instead, made that country divide. For Tinubu, a criminal, an armed robber, somebody when carry 2 bowling van in his home. Nobody they talk am. Somebody when be say he don't thief all Nigerian money put for him in pocket. Nobody they talk am. I want to see where they want to carry Tinubu come give una when we talk say na Tinubu go come 2023. So, no, when be Oduduwa people, make una they represent una Oduduwa, OPC people, make una they represent, make una leave Igbo people and Nnamdi Nnamdi Kanu alone. Make una just go fight, una fight. If una want liberate una self, make una liberate una self. If una not want join Arewa, make una join Arewa and leave the Biafrans alone. The people when they blame now the Igbo people when they Lagos there. When we see they don't know their right from their left or their left from their right. These people when they call OPC, they just come and come they talk anyhow. Okay, that one when they call Demola, when they use stone and iron and they almost burn that man. Not be they almost burn the guy. The guy get luck. I think say they go burn that guy that day. I be one continent and say una not be criminal. I be that thing one do not be criminal at. I be all those jungle justice one they do children and the girls and the ladies in Lagos there. Not be bad thing one they do. When we say una no carry if somebody commit maybe a simple crime, maybe a crime, then una no carry that person go police station. Una will just cut the person hand, cut the person neck. Even they sell people's pass. They sell people bodies pass. The same these sick OPC people when Funky did not know where they come from. Now this Bola Tinubu when be talk, when be criminal. Now him bring una out. Una go down with Bola Tinubu. Nonsense people. Now this one when I get for the Ududuwa this morning. Make una go meet the Arewa people. She understand? Because now the same oil when they Biafran land, now him all of una the target. Thief people. Thief people. Una go down with APC. Jubri Buhari is not our president. Bola Tinubu is nobody. He's just a criminal. Funky D. Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, make una dey subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make una dey share my videos. And make una not forget to dey press that bell sign. Thank you very much. I'll be right back. Okay? One love. Bye.